Hello everybody, welcome to Young Investors. I hope you have a magnificent day. Please leave a like, it helps me to hit that YouTube algorithm and of course that subscribe button. Let's begin with the topic of today, how to save more money. This video is for everybody between 20, 30, 40, 50 years old, but the earlier you start, the faster you will be rich. Avoid debt, save early, have an overview of your income, having an emergency fund and of course the strategy. Do I need to save if I'm 20? Yes, then you have a big advantage on so many other people. To give you some numbers, the average 35-year-old in America has 68,000 of debt. We see it increasing until you're 54, then in decline until you're 75 with an average of 35,000 in debt. Debt and education. People who go to college earn more, so they can carry more debt. The average American has only 4,800 saved in their saving accounts. The total consumer debt in the US is at 13.5 trillion. The number one thing to do: having a retirement fund. Return 5 to 10% of your net income. Let this payment go automatically. I'm gonna give you some numbers, guys. Let's say you put every month $150 into your account for 40 years. You will have $72,000 in your saving without inflation. But let's say you put it in the retirement funds where you earn a small percentage, you can have easily $134,000. These are average numbers, so it's important to all of this before you do anything else. Making an overview. One of the most important things about saving money is having an oversight on how you spend it. Please download an easy sheet like the example I'm giving you here. Once you have an overview of your expenses and your income, you can diversify. So let's say the money comes into your checking account. In my opinion, you have a few options what you can do with your money. The first of them is the needs: rent, food, healthcare and utilities. 4 things that every human being needs. But keep in mind, please use some minimalism for your financial freedom. 80% of the Americans just spend all their money on the needs. Let's say you have a payroll saved up. Please try to get it 3 times at a month for emergencies like medical care, if you lose your job or you have a car breakdown. Because the average amount of the savings that have people of America is $4,000. That's quite not a lot, people. So let's say you did these 2 steps. What can you do more with your money? Well, you can invest it in the real estate, in the stock market, or create multiple sources of income. Once on the point you save a lot of money, you're just gonna need more money, guys, or need more income. You can do a few things like start a serious side hustle that earns you $100 a month. Investing in the stock market. That's something every millennial should do, in my opinion. Start a dividend portfolio. Invest every month, be consistent, choose dividend companies from different industries and replace your bills with dividends. Here on the example you can see somebody earns $206 on the low point and on the high point $456. Let's say you have a 4.5% annual return, then is your monthly payout. Let's say if you have $10,037.50, then you have a free water bill every month, $40,150. If you have $500,000, you basically can live from dividends with almost $2,000 a month. How can you find these companies? Watch the Dividend King list. It exists of companies that pay over 50 years of dividends. Coca-Cola, J&J, Ultra and American States Water. A few small tips you need to know, in my opinion. The secondary rule. Don't buy it immediately. Add it to your chart, sleep a night and then think, do I still need that product? Cash gift. This is a rule I really like. Let's say you want to buy a phone of 500 euros. Let's say you can have the 500 euros in cash immediately instead of buying the product. Think about it. And on one point, everybody needs to make more money. Start a side hustle and please smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching, join the Discord group and please subscribe.